Everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So in today's video, I want to share with you guys 3 simple projects that you can do right away when you're using your Cricut. Now, when I first got my Cricut Maker, I was used to using the Cricut Expression. So I will tell you guys that I too had to learn how to do it. But it only took me about 40 minutes to learn kind of the machine and create my very first project. So I think once you get over the initial fear of getting started, you will be amazed at the possibilities that await you. So I'm going to share with you guys 3 super cute, super simple projects that you can get started with. And I would love to know down in the comments below if you have a Cricut Maker, a Joy, a Cricut Era 2. Let me know down in the comments below like what machine you have and then what project you plan on doing with it. So without any further ado, let's hop into today's video. I want to give you a quick tour of my Cricut design space, and we're going to do 3 very quick projects today. I do have some things that I've been working on in here already. Like I was going to do a Cash App card. I'll show that to you guys later. This could also be used for graduation. And then I did the Lux Bride the last time. We're going to reuse that, and I'll show you guys how that is going to work. But for today's project, it's going to be a new project. Very simple to do. I'm using a photo that I already have. And when you get ready to upload an image for the first time, you just hit upload, click on upload image here. But for this one, I've already uploaded this. I'm going to insert this image, and I'm going to make some last minute t-shirts for this weekend because I've gained a little weight, so I need some bigger t-shirts. So my logo is already popped up. It's already 7.05 to 8.2, so it's a pretty substantial size. I'm good with that. Well, let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's make it a 8. We don't want about no, I think this is good because I don't want it as big as a sheet of paper. That's too big. That's too obnoxious. So we're gonna leave this here, and I want to go ahead and cut it on some iron-on vinyl. So let's get started with that. Okay, so I clicked on make it so that the material size and everything would pop up. I'm going to do a basic cut, and then it's going to connect here to my Bluetooth, and I'm going to select the iron-on vinyl once it connects. So okay, you guys, so I had to place the bonded side up. I did not read the instructions before, but now we're just going to press the go button and watch it cut. And then here we can kind of watch the cutting progress. We're at 17%. Okay, so now it is cut out. I did just kind of peel it back so you guys can kind of see where. And then I'm going to use my weeding tools in order to remove all of the excess vinyl. And the smaller pieces that were left from this, I'm going to create some slippers. Some Lux Bride slippers for the bride to wear on the day of the wedding, using these slippers are from the Dollar Tree. So we're gonna get started with that process, so stay tuned. So at the time I had the machine set for the iron-on vinyl, I went ahead and did all of my cutting for the iron-on vinyl project. So here is how I did the t-shirt, and then I will share with you guys how I did the other projects.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain, yeah, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need.
So within 30 minutes, I customized a t-shirt, a pair of slippers for the bride, and mask. So I was really proud of myself for this project. I just wanted to show you guys how easy it was to use the Cricut and to customize it with different things. I also was able to customize a balloon using vinyl, because the other three projects I showed you guys were just showcasing how I use the iron-on vinyl. But with this one, I just wanted to show you guys could use a regular metallic vinyl, and you could like customize balloons for your event. With this one, it just has my logo, but you could customize balloons for a themed event. You could put a custom age on it. Boy or girl, if you're doing a reveal for a baby shower. You could do Mr. and Mrs. balloons if you're doing a wedding. There are so many different opportunities or possibilities with customizing balloons and things like that with vinyl. So I just wanted to give you guys some quick and easy out of the box projects that you can complete with your Cricut Maker. I'm just curious, does this turn on a light bulb for any of you guys? You customize, or what would you put on a balloon to customize it for your customer or for your business? Let me know down in the comments below. There are literally hundreds of projects that you can make with your Cricut machine. Cups and handwritten letters and pillowcases and table numbers and decals for dance floors and t-shirts, and the list goes on. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and you feel a lot more at ease when it comes to creating a project using your Cricut. If you have any simple projects that you would love for me to share here on this channel, please comment down in the comments below. And if not, let me know which ones that you like the best out of today's video. And if you're interested in purchasing a Cricut or adding some type of Cricut machine to your creative family, definitely look down in the description box below and also in the pinned comments. I also have a playlist with all of my Cricut related videos that I will pin down below as well. So we're going to hold each other accountable. You guys are going to be challenged to create at least one product or one project with your Cricut this week and share it with me on my Facebook page, Living Luxuriously for Less. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to create a brand new project that I've been avoiding creating, and I'm going to share it on my Facebook page as well. And then that way we're going to hold each other accountable for using our Cricut machines and staying creative. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!